On reflection, I was perhaps a little bit mean giving you this question because it's quite complicated, there's a lot of steps in it, and it's only for 3 marks, so it did take quite a lot of time. The first thing that you do is you add up all of the scores, so that would get you 187, and you divide it by how many there are. So there's 12 of them. This is finding out your mean, which is x bar, and that should give you 15.6. Now what you do is you write down all of these scores, so I'll not write them all, I'll just do a few of them, and you take away the mean, so in this case it's 15.6, and this will get you a number, which in this case would be minus 5.6, and we've got 2.4, 8.4, and then on all of these numbers that you've worked out, so you've done all those, you've taken the mean away, and you've got these scores here, you then square these. So we've got 31.4, 5.8, etc. all the way down. And then all of that will get you 323.4. And basically, if you think about the standard deviation formula, it is the sum of x minus, oh that's wrong, it's, oh yeah, x minus x bar squared, which is basically what we've done. So we've got x is here, minus x bar, squaring them, which gets us these, and then we add all these up and get that. So that's the first line that we've done. Then we divide by n minus 1. Now if you look at the scores, there's 12 of them, so 12 minus 1 is 11, so we divide those and we get 29.4. Now that there is the variance, but to do standard deviation you have to also square root it. So if you square root that, you will get standard deviation, which is 5.4. So that's your variance. So if you got asked to calculate variance, you would do that without the square root. And if you square root it, you get 5.4. So that was the answer. So it takes practice and you've got to have a go at it. You don't necessarily need this formula, because if you remember the steps of what to do, you'll be able to calculate it anyway. So I won't worry too much about the formula, just remember the steps.